Hi everyone, welcome back to Tickets. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a minimum $1,000 by walking 2 to 3 hours a day with a simple and easy way. Now, what I'm going to show you is here you can see in this video, while watching this video, what I was shocked. I saw that there is millions of channel. This, if you see this video, it's very review video. This channel has more than 1.75 million subscribers and he posts almost 3K videos. Like every shot is like this. In these shots, if you see these videos, even I thought that most of this reaction channel was not monetized, but unfortunately this channel was monetized. You can see here. I can show you this channel was monetized and this channel has trending over here. Okay, if you see this video, I'm going to show you the shot. Now, if you go with the shorts, in this we have so many shorts. Or what he's doing is, before telling the trick, I'm going to show you a few popular shorts. In this short, he has 28 million views, 21 million views, almost 18 million views, and 15. Why they are getting these many views? Because of his picking a trending topic. That's why he getting it so huge views of this channel. What he's doing, he's showing his face or top. If you are unable to show your face, just wear mask and anything and make review video. What he's doing, this she is the trending for a almost 3 to 3 4 because of she is the bot. He's from his channel is US based channel, but he's from like Indian. He's targeting Indian Pakistan audience. That's why he's making around like a $11,000 to $20,000 per month easily. Whereas by working is but you can walk by we can earn huge money by walking 1 to 2 hours easily. Okay, if you are dedicated, initially you need to spend a lot of time to make some videos, but after a certain time, if you everything is structured, so you can work every day, make 1 to 2 videos and upload it, just share it on social media. You are ready to make money. Now I'm telling you how they make money from shorts. I'm going to tell you one more thing, why these shorts are viral, because she is the trending for us almost 3 to 4 months. Now we can see here he can title because of this title, because of the like these are some viral at that time, viral clips, viral personality at then. That's why this became viral, and he got almost 28 million, 21 million, 18 million views. It's coming to a video. Making these types of short is very simple. What you have to do after creating shorts, you need to post it on various social media platforms like Facebook Reels, like Insta Reels, and you can make not only in on YouTube, you can also make money from Facebook, Instagram. You can share it on Pinterest. From with the help of Pinterest, you can drive so much traffic from Pinterest also, and you can post in like a Reddit also. You can get more traction from Reddit, and you can get more. It's very easy to grow your channel. If by promoting your videos on Shorts and promoting this platform, you can easily you can grow your channel very fast. Now I'm going to tell you videos. This guy, what he's doing is uh, he's posting some, he's taking some viral trending videos and making a reaction videos on that. On that he's making every almost he's posting every day two videos to 3 videos for making it. He's we initially targeted only Big Boss. Later he targeted Indian cricket. Later targeted Pakistan act on most of his keywords. If you see list, most of them are targeted Bollywood. I'll tell you one more thing. Just click on popular. If you click on popular videos, that's he's targeting there's a conflict between Pakistan and India. They're making videos, making conflict on this. That's why he's growing these videos. You can see every video has almost million views, more than million. This is how he's targeting. He's making huge money. One more thing I'll tell you, why before making these types of videos, yeah, you need to be very careful. Uh, try not to take a content which is copyrighted. If you make a video, just give them a credit on the end of the video, below the video. Like he's follows different strategies to make this video. Try to make trending. There's so many persons are trending in India. He's making Hindi content on Hindi. That's why he's very popular. That's why Hindi content has a wide reach. One more thing is you have to do is he is like a thumbnails. Thumbnails are very attractive. Like he is following same simple rule. Just his face on. Uh, who makes a video song, who make a video on this, the person who is making video on, and he's making a small error. He's showing the Pakistani reaction on Denizen TikTok and Pakistani reaction on Shivangi Joshi TikTok. This is how he's making videos. This is how making conflict. This is how he's earning a lot of money from his YouTube channel. I'm going to show his YouTube metrics right now. You can see here, like he's making around his channel has 3051 videos, 1.75 million subscribers are there. He mentioned his YouTube channel was from like years, but I think he's from India. I think not India or Pakistan, and he created his channel in 2012. Right now he's making 11,000 to around 1,75,000 dollars per month, but unfortunately he don't make that money. I'll tell you how much he's making. He got 43 million 43 million views. Like if you see that, or if you see the metric, I'm going to do a simple calculation here. If you take it, like if you make one, like if you from approximately you make a like a $40 per 1 lakh views. If for million, for 1 million he will make like a $400 for 40 millions, like a 43 millions into, I'm entering random 400. You can check it. He is making around $17,200, approximately nearby somewhere around 17,000 to 25,000. He make money from this channel. This the simple and easiest way. If you target this channel, if you all create a I'm going to give one more suggestion before starting this channel. Is creating this channel is very simple, but there is a, when you create, don't depend only this channel. If you want to make extra money, don't depend on only this channel. If you want to make immediate money, you need to work for 30 days to 6 days consistently. So daily, at least plan for a daily, at least post 2 short, one video. So you can easily monetize, you can easily reach the goal, as well as try to pick the trending right now trending topics. In order to grow your subscribers, you need to make a shorts. In order to grow your watch hours, you need to concentrate on trending videos. Just follow his channel, so you'll get so much idea how to make the video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, like how to make money, it's very simple. If you want to know how to make a video, it's very simple. By using help by with help of Canva, you can easily create a design logo. Is don't work much work on this channel. You use basic Canva templates. He gave it two reactions of his photos, and reaction blogger same his face. He is just using his photo as a profile. This is how we can easily create a YouTube channel also. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, just comment. I'm going to start this after watching this video, after seeing reviewing his YouTube channel is mind blowing. I thought it was also monetized. Okay, don't worry, don't be happy. Just create this channel, try to make video as soon as possible, start earning. Thank you.